The tiny robot who wanted a friend. Far away, in a little workshop full of whirring tools and blinking lights, there lived a tiny robot named Pip. Pip was very small. He had a shiny silver body, round blue eyes, and tiny wheels that squeaked when he rolled. Squeak, squeak, went Pip across the floor. Pip could count screws. Pip could sort buttons. Pip could even dance in tiny circles. But there was one thing Pip wished for more than anything else in the world: a friend. Every morning, Pip looked out the workshop window. He saw birds flying together in the sky. He saw kittens chasing each other in the garden. He saw children laughing and playing. "I wish I had a friend too," Pip whispered softly. One sunny day, Pip decided to go looking. Squeak, squeak, went his little wheels as he rolled outside. First, Pip met a butterfly. "Hello," said Pip. "Will you be my friend?" But the butterfly fluttered away into the flowers. Next, Pip met a busy squirrel. "Hello," said Pip. "Will you be my friend?" But the squirrel scampered up a tall tree. Pip's little lights grew dim. "Maybe nobody wants to be friends with a tiny robot," he sighed. Just then, Pip heard a tiny sound. Cheep, cheep. Under a bush sat a little yellow bird. One tiny wing was hurt. "Oh dear," said Pip gently. Very carefully, Pip picked up soft leaves and made a cozy little nest beside the bush. Then he brought the bird tiny drops of water. "Cheep," said the little bird happily. Pip stayed beside the bird all afternoon. He sang soft beep-boop songs. He told funny robot jokes. He even danced tiny squeaky dances. The little bird chirped and flapped its wings. Soon the bird felt much better. Just then, many little birds flew down from the trees. Cheep, chirp, tweet. They hopped all around Pip happily. The yellow bird snuggled close to Pip and gave him a gentle peck on the nose. Pip's eyes sparkled bright blue. "You're my friend?" he asked softly. "Cheep," said the little bird. And from that day on, Pip was never lonely again. Every morning, the birds visited the workshop window. They sang songs while Pip danced in happy circles. Squeak, squeak, beep, boop, tweet, tweet. And Pip learned something wonderful. Sometimes the best way to find a friend is to be a kind friend first. The end.